Do you love me, little surfer, little one, made my heart undone? Do you love me? Do you surfer girl, my little surfer girl? Do you love me? Do you, surfer girl? We could ride the waves together while our love will grow. I could drive you in my wooded everywhere I go. So I say from me to you, you have made my dreams come true. Do you love me? Do you, surfer girl, my little surfer girl?
Cindy has no idea about the surprise she's going to get. The surf instructor and owner is just amazing, so I cannot wait to see them. She is going to flip out. His idea, and he is so sweet, and he had so much fun. He said that she was the most amazing lesson he's given. She was a rock star, and I am so excited. I'm gonna video, or I am videoing. She's gonna flip out. Woo! Listen!
Look here, feel this. This is your very own surfboard. Okay? You're gonna keep that.
What do you say?
Thank you.
Okay?
What do you say?
Take that home with you.
You better give him a huge hug!
Let her know you did so good.
Thank you.
No problem.
Tell your
Y'all have fun.
brother and sister!
Hey, hi. Yeah? You have to keep this.
Nice.
What do you guys say? You better give everybody give a hug! Woo!
Good stuff.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, no worries.
Sweet. Oh, thank you.
You get my picture, Lauren?
Yeah,
my
let's
girl
do
Cindy,
that.
my team rider Cindy.
Cindy, look up here.
Okay, oh, I got it.